guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're just passing through, welcome just the same. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to secure profits. Yes, how to secure profits on your MetaTrader 4 on your computer. So there's a lot of times that we're trading and the trade tend to turn on us. You know, it's going our way, we're in profit, and all of a sudden it decided it's going to go in the opposite direction. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys whenever you're down, you're in your profits, and the trade decides to turn off you, you'll be taken out of the trade in profit. I'll be showing you guys how to secure profits on your computer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, hit that notification bell, and also leave a comment below. Okay guys, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so now you're looking at my computer screen, and basically as you can see, this is a demo account, a practice account. I actually took this trade last night before I went to bed, and then I fall asleep and I woke up back in profit. And as you can see, as I said before, I just started trading like 4 or 5 months now, somewhere thereabout, and I'm still not good at it. So I do trade on real accounts, but I practice sometime, And the school that I'm really going is really help. Um, well, the training academy that I'm going is really right now, really helping me. So, anyways, guys, as you can see, as I said before, we're on the 1 hour chart for GBP USD, and today is like Monday the There's what Monday the what the it's at the bottom, the 28th of September. So guys, this is how you secure your profit. So here I have take profit up at the top right here, and basically did hit my take profit, right guys, and here I have my stop loss. So what I want to do now is for this is to secure my profit, to make sure that it doesn't go back all the way down and then take me out of profit. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna left click on my mouse, and I'm gonna drag my stop loss all the way right here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the next one. I'm gonna hold my stop loss and I'm gonna drag it all the way up here, just the same. So when I move my stop loss in front of where I place my order, basically if this decide to go back all the way down, it basically, when it touch my stop loss, it's gonna take me out of the trade, and I'll be taken out of the trade with profit. So for this, I'm not sure how many pips this is, because basically hold on, let me check. Let me check. I still don't understand how to from here to here. This is about let me see if I'm right. What I think it's what 70 pips. I don't know, something like that. I'm still not sure how to use these devices yet. Oh my god. But I'm getting there. So guys, that's how you secure your profits when you're in a trade, and you basically want to come out of that trade in profit. Now, So basically, as I said before, this is my demo. I'm practicing it, and I'm at $969, and I place a trade for 50 cent or 0.50, as they would say. And yeah, so basically, if this decide to go the opposite way, and decided that it wants to go down instead of up, I'd basically get taken out of the trade once it touch my stop loss, but I'll be taken out of the trade in profit. And that's a good thing, guys. I would advise a lot of you traders to do that. So at the end of the day, you don't lose. You don't have anything losing. So if it decided to turn on you and go the opposite way, you're still getting some bread. You know what I mean, guys? So that is it for this video, guys. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything at all that I post, and drop a comment. Let me know how you guys feel. So that is it, guys. Stay tuned and keep on watching for my next video. Bye.